This is NGI and we're bringing you another tutorial video. This time we are on Rarible.com and this is NGI JT and we are going to Hello everybody, this is NGI and we're bringing you another tutorial video. This time we are on Rarible.com and this is NGI JT and we are going to be making our very own NFT. So here we are at the home page. To start, you're going to go ahead and go to the top right hand corner and we're going to go ahead and connect our wallet. So once we do that, we're going to go ahead and be ready to create our NFT. So we're going to go ahead and press this blue button up here at the top right hand corner, create. It's going to bring us to our very next screen right here, create collectible. It's going to ask us if we want to do one single NFT or if we want to produce multiple copies of that NFT. Right now we're going to go ahead and say multiple, and it's going to bring us to our next screen. We're going to go ahead and start from the top down. So upload file. This is going to be what we want to sell itself. This is our NFT. This is the meat and potatoes. So what I have today is a music file, an MP3. We're going to go ahead and throw that in there. And then for our upload cover, we're going to go ahead and choose a picture from my own little collection. It's best to use a picture of your dog or something like that, picture of anything. You can go outside and take a picture of a tree and use that, anything that you own and it's not on the internet. So we can go ahead and go to unlimited auction. So what that is we're basically going to act like a true cryptocurrency and we're going to let the market drive the price of our NFT instead of a fixed price, which is more used for single items. You set the price that you want somebody to pay, and that's the price that you buy it for. Unlock once purchased. We're not going to go ahead. We're going to leave that unclicked. But what that basically is you can go ahead and set it up to where as soon as someone purchases it, it'll be available right away. So, but right now we're going to go ahead and leave that unchecked. Choose collection. We're going to go ahead and leave it on Rarible instead of ERC115. Rarible is just basically a very digestible code. It's like kind of like a high school programmer's code rather than an ERC, which is going to be basically a code for a high-tech coin that you're maybe going to have aspirations of getting on one of the big exchanges one day. So for this, we're just kind of doing a Rarible, and here's where we get to the title. So this is where I'm going to go ahead and name my NFT. I'm going to just go ahead and name it American Artist. Well, you know what? I'll name it American Music Artist. And then for the description, we're going to put a little bit of what it is. And we're going to say 888 Music That's fine. 888 Music. And then the royalties, that's actually really cool since we're actually dealing with a music track. If you're like an artist or something like that and you want to send royalties, you can actually send it through Rarible. But for all intents and purposes, we're going to go ahead and do a 0% right now. And then we're going to do 100 copies. And then we're going to see these advanced settings. We're not going to touch anything here for right now. Basically, if you had the aspirations to get on those big exchange sites, you would go ahead and fill this out, and that's basically your description and stuff like that would show up on those big exchanges. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and press create item, and it's going to actually ask your wallet or whatever you have it connected to for confirmation for what you're doing. So here we go. I have a confirmation pop up here on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and accept that. And then boom, it says start unlimited auction. Sign message to make available for bids. We're going to go ahead and press start. And then it's going to ask me for another signature request on my phone just because that's how my security's set up. I'm going to go ahead and sign that. and now right now it's in the air. So I guess our process is being validated in the blockchain. So while that's happening, and once your NFT is successfully created, there's a website called OpenSea. Now this is what the homepage looks like. You would go ahead and create an account once your NFT is created and once it settles. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead and come to OpenSea.io, and you're going to come here to sell it and actually withdraw the money into your wallet. Now we can come back to Rarible and just see, if it's settled yet or what's up. Try look, boom, created. Now I have my created NFT right there, ready to purchase and ready to sell. Thank you guys for